The other interesting development today happened was that MRF, Madras Rubber Factory, that was the full name of MRF Tires. Nisha, did you know that?
I didn't know it before today.
I never thought about what would be the full form of MRF ever.
Okay, so this is Madras Rubber Factory, and I've actually seen that place where this company was founded. It was a kind of a garage of a rubber factory and all of that. It has a very kind of
nostalgic,
very nostalgic. But now today, what happened? Today, that stock price, they never give a bonus, they never give a stock split. That particular stock, and it's a F&O stock. Retail, perhaps it is not very favorite, but HNI love to trade that stock and hold, of course, in their portfolio. They hit a 1 lakh mark. First Indian stock to hit a 6-digit mark. Sharad is here with the story behind it. Sharad?
Well, yes, in the futures market, it did hit that number, but yes, it is yet to hit in the cash market. But do remember, the company itself, interesting point, started as a balloon factory in 1946, and the journey has gone up and almost touching the 1 lakh mark on the bourses. Now, this itself is India's one of the most expensive stock, you could say, in the listed cases. Apart from this, let's look at the journey, how it has happened, right from the year 1992, where first time the stock price actually hit the 1,000 rupees mark. From there, the development has happened, and over the next 20 years, it went up to almost 10,000 rupees. And then the slide and the improved gradual growth you could see happening right from September 2016 to January 2021, where they actually hit the numbers of almost 90,000 rupees per share. Now, apart from this also, now let's look at how the financials have actually panned out on a 10-year CAGR basis. The stock price itself has given 21% return to the shareholders if you have holding it for the last 30 years, while for revenue and net PAT is at almost 10 to 3%. Now, let's look at how the financial performance has been when it comes to the tire companies. And over here itself, of course, there has been an outperformance, especially coming in for Balkrishna Industries, but MRF is also strong and sturdy at 18%, followed by Apollo Tyres and CEAT. Now, we did talk about the tire stocks, but MRF itself has actually outperformed big nifty companies as well over the last 30 years. And over here in the data itself, we see it has outperformed ITC, L&T, Grasim, SBI, and also Hindalco, and of course coming in at almost 18% CAGR if you had invested over the last 30 years. Apart from this, also do remember how the valuation stack up of the tire stocks, and the stock itself is one of the most expensive ones in the tire space, and it's coming in at almost at the equal valuations with Balkrishna Industries, with almost 26 times its FY24 PE numbers. So this is an interesting take on the MRF.
That's an interesting one. MRF hitting that 1 lakh mark, and a lot of these did you knows and do you know around it. So we'll try and get you more details on that. But for now,